You ought to know that three things are most necessary for being a good student. First is hard work, second is discipline, and third is polite behavior, polite manners. You should always remember that while studying, while reading in your class, you should try to maintain discipline, you should try to be active, and you must follow the teachings, principles of your concerning teachers or subject teachers. You are not only to listen, but you have to act, you have to discuss the matters which are being told to you or taught to you in the class. You should always be attentive. There should be no negligence in your minds. And the main thing is that you have not to perturb. Because if you perturb, there will be hindrance in your life. You will not be able to acquire the matters which are being told to you by the teachers. Although you are very young ones, you have no sufficient knowledge, manners, but still you have to maintain your discipline, behavior, friendship in your class. You should never try to quarrel from anybody. If you quarrel for any purpose, for any reason, there should be no any inner point in your head for negative matters. It is your duty to establish the friendship among your colleagues, among your friends, companions. You are going to face the first board examination, the students of class 10th, and the intermediate classes, boys and girls, are going to face the second examination. The first day of the board exam is very important. It leaves a concerning impression upon your mind, upon your body, heart and soul. You have to go to the centers with all your documents, just like admission card, geometry box and writing pens. You have to go in your proper uniform so that you may leave impression upon the other students, teachers. Therefore, you have not to perturb to face the examination. When you will sit in the examination hall, you will feel something like a strange matter, but you have to think just as you are sitting here, you are reading here, you are playing here, in the same way. Examination is just like a game. With open mind, pleasing thought, polite behavior, you have to face the examinations. After completing the examinations, you will have to come in the college. In the same way, you have always this thought in your mind that your examination, your study, your reading has not been completed so far. You have to get something more. With these feelings, you have to keep yourself busy in acquiring the knowledge. Whenever you feel any kind of difficulty, you must consult your concerned teacher. You are most welcome to come in the college, whether you are the students of this college or not. This college is always ready to welcome you, to help you in every difficulty. With these feelings, I want to bless you that may you progress, may you achieve your goal, may you get good marks in your board exams. Thank you.